Howdy, my name is Otto, and I am procrastinating adding a feature to RosaOS. So I'm fixing bugs that don't need to be fixed, but I want to fix because I don't want to do the other thing. First up, I removed the fake home tilde from the prompt. What this symbol usually means is that there's a file system with folders, one of those folders being the home directory, and also you're currently in the home directory. I added it because I thought, hey, fuck it, no one will think that there's actually a file system here. Then someone thought there was actually a file system there. Then I actually made a file system there, but it doesn't have folders and sure as shit doesn't have a home directory, so I removed it. Then I wanted to fix an old problem, but I found this weird thing where I was storing the length of command as a character rather than a number, but it never gets used, which I thought was weird until about 3 attempts ago of recording the script. I realized that I added it there, so I was able to print the string length of command, so it wasn't actually that big of a mystery. But anyways, the bug that I was talking about is that you can backspace the entire screen. It doesn't fucking stop you. And I had spent so long trying to figure out how do these other terminals do it? How do they do it? How do they make sure you can't just backspace everything? I couldn't wrap my head around it. And then I just realized I can sort of just turn off backspace. So yeah, but then I kind of missed the bug. So I added a switch in the code that you could turn on to bring it back. I called it fucky backspace because it's accurate. And I also made a command to turn it on called sandbox. It was hard to see what was happening, so I added a text cursor. But the spirits were not pleased with me adding a new feature instead of working on the feature that shall not be named. So as divine punishment, they gave me another bug to fix in the form of this. Every time you backspace, it smears. I think that's the right term. I don't know if that's right. Sounds right. I tried reordering the steps, trying to print the cursor after you print I just kept shoving things around, but nothing was working. But then I scrolled up, and all I had to do was just erase symbol, move back, then erase symbol again. Then I forgot about what happened last time I tried to add a new feature and added a command that sets your username. Not like an actual user system where you have different files and different profiles. No, it's just a aesthetic thing. It doesn't even get saved, actually. If you close the operating system, it gets reset. And, again, as punishment, it did not work at all. But then I took some time to fix it, and yeah, really anticlimactic. I just had to clear the string.